How can I fix my computer typing backwards?
Hello viewers. Today, we're tackling a peculiar problem some of you might have faced, your computer typing backwards. If you ever find yourself typing and the cursor moves in the opposite direction, don't panic. We've got a solution for you.
Why is my computer typing backwards?
Before diving into solutions, it's essential to understand why this could be happening. Often, this issue arises due to 1. Accidental keyboard shortcuts. Sometimes we accidentally press a combination of keys that change the typing direction. 2. Software bugs. Occasional glitches in software or operating systems. 3. Input language settings. Some languages, like Arabic and Hebrew, are written from right to left.
How do I check my language settings?
Your computer's language settings might be responsible for the change in typing direction. Here's how to check. Windows. 1. Go to Settings, Time and Language, Language. 2. Check if you have added any right to left languages. If yes, either remove them or change the default language. macOS. 1. Go to System Preferences, Keyboard greater than Input Sources. 2. Review the list of languages. Remove any right to left languages or change the primary language if necessary.
Are there keyboard shortcuts I should know?
Yes, sometimes accidentally pressing certain keys can change your typing direction. Here are the common ones to be aware of. For Microsoft Word, right to left, Control plus right shift. Left to right, Control plus left shift for general use. In some systems, right to left, right alt plus shift. Left to right, left alt plus shift. If you suspect you've hit these by mistake, try pressing them again to revert to the desired direction.
What if it's a software glitch?
If you've ruled out the above reasons and the issue persists, it might be a software glitch. Consider 1. Restarting your computer, the age-old solution that solves many tech woes. 2. Updating your software. Ensure that your operating system and applications are up to date. 3. If you're in a specific application, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. There you have it. With these steps, you should be able to fix your computer's backward typing issue. We hope this video was helpful. Remember, when in doubt, checking your settings and restarting are often the way to go. Happy typing!